Let's design beautiful Twitter posts for free using Canva. So go to canva.com, you have a link in the description, and now just go over here, click Twitter post. And over here you have lots and lots of templates. If you want a free template, you just go down here, click free, and it will filter for you the free Twitter posts. And for example, let's click over here. This is a Halloween post, so you want to adapt this, just click on here and you can change this. Change text, for example, select text, up here change the color of the text, for example to be red, select over here to be red, over here. Okay, let's change this to be, for example, the background to be black, like this. And this bats to be white, to pop out, so and this is how you make a Twitter post for free. Over here on the left side you have lots and lots of templates that you can choose depending on your business or anything else.